Kia ora, my name is Finn. If you're ready to enroll at the University of Auckland, you can use Timetable Planner to easily create a timetable that fits your schedule. You can choose the courses you want to enroll in, block out time in your schedule for other commitments like work, and view a selection of clash-free timetables that you can choose from. Let's get started. Sign into Student Services online and select the Enroll icon. Choose Add Classes With, then Timetable Planner. Choose the semester and click Timetable Planner. Click Add Course. Choose the subjects and courses you want, selecting Add Course for each. Select Done to return to the main screen. You can also click Add Break to block out any time for your own use, such as work or other commitments. Enter the break name, start and end times, and days. Then use the Add Break button to return to the main screen. Click Generate Timetables and view or select to see a timetable. Here's a tip. Timetable Planner allows you to include or exclude time or day options from the timetable suggestions. Change the time or day and click Save and Close before generating timetables. To finalize your enrollment, confirm you can enroll into the chosen courses by selecting Validate. Any prerequisites, restrictions, or holds will show up. Click Return to Enrollment Cart if your enrollments are validated. Select all courses you are wanting to enroll into and accept the terms and conditions. Click the Enroll button to finish enrolling. Timetable Planner is also used to support the enrollment for a select number of programs, such as Bachelor of Health Science, Year 1, Biomedical Science, Year 1, and Civil Engineering, Year 2 and 3. You can use Timetable Planner to enroll in the selected classes for your program. Information about which cohort to select will be emailed to you after you have accepted your offer of admission. When in Timetable Planner, click Add Course and select Cohort. Click Add Course and Done. Generate timetable and view or select a timetable. Confirm your enrollment. Now give it a go.